So today we're learning lots of spelling strategies, and your learning goal is I can learn multiple spelling strategies. First of all, we're starting with pyramid spelling. That is when I start at the top of my pyramid with the first letter of the word. I'm going to spell develop. So D, D-E, D-E-V, D-E-V-E. I'm adding a letter each time. D-E-V-E-L for develop. D-E-V-E-L-O and D-E-V-E-L-O-P. This is a strategy for learning to spell. So you have a go with me now. Get your pencil ready. We're going to spell individual. So we start with I, then I-N, I-N-D, I-N-D-I, I-N-D-I-V, I-N-D-I-V-I, I-N-D-I-V-I-D, I-N-D-I-V-I-D-U, I-N-D-I-V-I-D-U-A, I-N-D-I-V-I-D-U-A-L. Individual. Now it's your turn on your own. I would like you to spell the word temperature. So pause the video now and have a go, starting with the first letter and adding another letter each time. So it was T, T-E, T-E-M, T-E-M-P, T-E-M-P-E, T-E-M-P-E-R, temper, T-E-M-P-E-R-A, T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T, temperate, T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U, T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R, T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E, temperature. So this shows how the pyramid can help you spell temperature. Now I'd like you to have a go at spelling the word sufficient. So pause the video now and have a go. So it's S, S-U, S-U-F, S-U-F-F, S-U-F-F, I, S-U-F-F-I-C, S-U-F-F-I-C-I, S-U-F-F-I-C-I-E, S-U-F-F-I-C-I-E-N, S-U-F-F-I-C-I-E-N-T, sufficient. So well done. That is how you do pyramid spelling. So now go and have a nice brain break, pause the video and have a stretch, and then come back. So welcome back. We're going to do rainbow spelling now. It's another strategy and you'll need lots of colouring pencils for this if you have it, or just a pencil. So start by drawing a rainbow. You'll need to draw the different sections of the rainbow because that's where we're going to write. It doesn't have to be perfect. So we're going to start by writing out the word amateur. A-M-A-T-E-U-R. amateur. A-M-A-T-E-U-R. And then I'm going to write it again in a different colour. A-M-A-T-E-U-R. You can pause the video if it's going a bit too fast. A-M-A-T-E-U-R. Amateur. And see if you can squeeze a little one into that one there. So now you're going to draw another rainbow. And I'd like you to practice writing this word. The word is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. And then remember to change colours if you have colours when you go to the next row. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. And repetition just helps us to remember. And if you need a bit of a rest, you can draw a bit around the rainbow, but only for a minute. Now we're going to draw another rainbow. And I'd like you to write the word frequently. F-R-E-Q-U-E-N-T-L-Y. Frequently. And then we're going to change colours. Frequently. And that is how you do rainbow spelling. So well done. So welcome back. We're going to be looking at the Doodle Strategy now. And the Doodle Strategy is just like it sounds. This involves having some fun doodling. So you write the word and then next to it you draw a little picture. So write the word vehicle, V-E-H-I-C-L-E, and have fun drawing a little vehicle. This will just encourage you to practice your spelling more often, and it gives you the chance to have some creative time doing some drawing. Vehicle, V-E-H-I-C-L-E. The next one is Q, Q-U-E-U-E. And then you can draw a little picture of a queue, which is just people standing in a row waiting for something. The next one is yacht, Y-A-C-H-T. A yacht is a large boat. And the last one is vegetable, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E. Veg-e-table, vegetable. So you could draw a little carrot. So well done. Now we're going to move on to a method called chunking, where we split words into chunks. For example, equip plus ped is equal to equipped. And that helps me to spell equipped. E-Q-U-I-P-P-E-D. Equipped. I can also do this with equipment. So I split it into equip and ment. E-Q-U-I-P plus M-E-N-T equals equipment. E-Q-U-I-P-M-E-N-T. Equipment. And now I would like you to try this with the word familiar. So we split it into fam, il, and ear. FAM plus IL plus IAR is equal to familiar. FAMILIAR, familiar. Committee, I would like you to try now. Committee would be com plus mit plus e is equal to committee. Finally, I would like you to try and spell persuade. I would split this as per plus suade to make persuade, PERSUADE. So well done. If you wanted to go all out, you could write an acrostic poem, which is where you write out a word vertically and then each line of the poem starts with one of the letters of that word. For example, I could write the word rhyme vertically, and each part of my poem will then start with that. Like the one I wrote here. Rats in the kitchen gave me a fright. Hope they will go away by tonight. Yams and cheese, they scoffed a lot. My food's gone, they ate all I've got. Elsie, my cat, just sat and watched. Now if you would like to, look at one of the words on the word list and try and write an acrostic poem from it. And once you've done that, you've finished the video, so well done.